Hey guys, welcome back to Renke Estate. This would be day 4, a week and a half later from the last one. We've had a lot of rain. We'll put a video up and show you guys our rain. Anyways, so this is the third video in the series. If you guys haven't seen the others, I'll put a playlist up there and you can check it out. And yeah, for today we have to bring all of this needs to come down. So yeah, that's gonna be fun, and we have to do it really quickly because
the rain is coming.
yes, the rain is definitely coming if it doesn't come in any second. So we'll see what we can do what we can, and then we'll go from there. But anyway guys, enough talk, let's do this.
Yes.
Just to give you guys an idea of what we had to do. Do you see those branches? Each and every one had to be pulled one by one due to the entanglement that was taking place. So how many branches do you see? Give an idea how much work we had to do. Guys, we're sitting with a small predicament. We found the grapevines. So it's here, it's there, by the looks of it everywhere. It's even growing over to the neighbor's side and on the fence. And it's meant to be electrical fence, so which makes the electric fence pretty much useless, especially when it rains. What we decided is we didn't really want to get rid of fruit trees, grapes included. But we're gonna have to, because it's growing everywhere. It's literally just entangled with everything. So we're gonna cut it short. We're gonna keep it short for future use. Might be a good grape to make wine. I don't know if it's worth the effort, but we'll see in the future. For now, we're gonna cut it short. We're gonna leave it. We're going to carry on. There's unfortunately nothing much we can do. This year, the trellis is completely, what can I say? We can't fix it. So we're going to have to replace the whole thing. We can't replace it with the plants on it. So yeah, so we're cutting it short, what we can do, and then we'll save it and look after it for next season. Make it all nice and pretty.
Yes.
But, yeah. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's do this. Okay guys, time for show and tell. We found that round thing. First of all, it was a snake egg.
Yes, thought it was a python egg.
Turns out to be squishy and rubbery. Didn't make sense. And until we look up. There we go. Yeah, tennis ball. So something dragged the ball up there, ripped it to pieces. I guess to make a nest. Well, we're thinking what, a rat?
Yeah, rats. Oh, mice, but I think rats.
If you guys have any other ideas, let us know. Okay guys, we're going to do a quick one. Rain is coming, so it's drizzling a little bit. And I just wanted to show you guys quickly the trellis so you can see it's pretty much just, it's done, completely done. There's some grapevines we still need to cut off. And then, alright, then if we sit here, we have some Freddy Krueger bush thing going here. Bougainvillea, of course, what else would it be? We love them phones. And just to give you guys a quick idea of what was actually removed. It's insane, the bushes. That's a lot of bushes. But yeah, we've cleared the trellis. So it's looking pretty cool right now. Very happy. So yeah, so tomorrow we'll break it down. And if the rain just stays away for a little bit, although it's open there, I don't know why, but yeah, we'll break it down tomorrow guys. But anyway, stay tuned, coming now.